my channel. If you are new, make sure you press that subscribe button. And if you are not new, just continue to keep watching and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Anyways, guys, I'm here for this quick video. I wanted to see the difference between the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte lipstick and also the Fenty Beauty lipstick by Rihanna, and I just want to see do a comparison and see if there's any difference at all. Now this one, I got this free. I think it was a sample. You had to spend like I don't remember how much you had to spend to get this for free out of Sephora, but that's what happened. I spent enough. I got this for free, and this I believe was like $20. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So right now I'm just wearing regular lip gloss and that's all. So I'm just gonna wipe that off. Now that that's done, we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna first. And I actually didn't get a option to pick which color I wanted, so they just basically gave me whatever was free. And so the color that I have is Candy Venom. As you can see that? Candy Venom. Venom, actually. Oh, isn't that pretty? Shiny. Okay, okay. I'm putting all my fingerprints all over it, but it's very pretty. All compact and everything. So hopefully I can figure out how to open this. Because right now, oh, why do I insist on twisting things when all you have to do is pull? Dang. Anyways, guys, look at that. That is pretty and pink. I like that. I'm not a fan of pink. I like nudes and stuff like that because I'm not a lipstick wearer, but we're going to try it on anyways. I don't want to mess it up. It's so pretty. Look at that. But you know what? It actually matches my eyeshadow, so we finna go ahead and try that on right now. You don't have to apply much. It's very thick. Like I said, I'm not a lipstick wearer, but oh, this one is giving me good vibes right here. I like that. So as far as this lipstick goes, this matte lipstick, I'm giving this lipstick a thumbs up. I like this. Rihanna, you did your thing. You did a good job with this. I love it. I really don't want to take this off. That was the Candy Venom by Rihanna, Fenty Beauty Rihanna. And now I'm going to try the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte lipstick next. So I'm just going to take this packaging off. And it's not the same color, so forgive me. It's not the same color. I like the packaging. And this one is called Venus. This is what it looks like inside the package. It came like this. And it says this is long-lasting and comfortable matte lipstick, liquid lipstick. Okay, it says it's intense pigmentation and it helps to maintain lip hydration and no transfer. We'll see about that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. This stuff is highly pigmented. This stuff from Rihanna. Trying to make sure I get it all off. Oh, that tastes nasty. All right. Now that we got that off, I'm gonna go ahead in and try this Venom by Huda Beauty. And you really don't have to apply a lot of this either. I would prefer to wear this with some lip liner initially it's still like wet. I don't know if it's gonna transfer. I'm gonna give it a few seconds to dry up a little bit, and then I'm gonna see if it transfers. It's not a bad color, but it's not thick like the Rihanna's matte lipstick. It's a little bit thinner. So I want to do a little test to see if it's going to transfer, because it says it doesn't transfer, but let's check that out. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to basically kiss my finger. It transferred a little bit, but I just believe that it's not all the way dry, so that's probably why it transferred. At the end of the day, it's not a bad lipstick. It's drying now, and it's looking better now that it's dry. So overall, guys, I don't know. You tell me what you like. Drop it in the comment section below. Tell me your questions, concerns, or comments down below. Let me know if you like this video by giving a thumbs up, guys. And thanks for watching, guys. Good night.